All right, so let's take your average Bic lighter, okay? By the way, this is one of the best survival tools ever. It's immediate flame, but it has some downsides, and we're gonna fix those, and we're gonna add some customization to it. So again, you've got your regular Bic lighter, and it's got this child safety lock on it, okay? Because we don't want 2-3-year-olds, you know, being able to use this, okay? So the first thing you wanna do though, when you get these, is take this off, all right? The reason being is if you get this wet, there's gonna be moisture that can trap underneath there. So take your good old Swiss Army knife, and what you can do is take it and you're gonna pop that thing off of there. There you go. All right, pop that thing off there and toss it. So now your lighter should look like this. It's gonna be much easier to use, and you can rescue this. You can throw this in water, rescue this. I have a video on that. And this thing will work wet. You just shake the water out, blow it out, and you've got fire. Now, all right, very good, much easier. Now the second thing you wanna do is go get you some Gorilla Tape, okay? Some black Gorilla Tape, whatever. And what you want is you're gonna take that, you're gonna take a little bit of it, and you're gonna wrap this bad boy around the bottom. So you're gonna take it like this, and you're just going to wrap it. Now, why are you wrapping duct tape? Duct tape, Gorilla Tape, whatnot, is flammable. You can light this bad boy with just sparks. You can do tests with it. I've shredded this and made a ball and lit it with a ferro rod. So even if your lighter like runs out, you still have a spark. You can still spark this if you do it the right way. So this right here now, with just those two little modifications, now is not only a survival tool, but a much better survival tool, much better, by just making those two little modifications. So that's how to make your lighter absolutely just about bomb proof. And you know, you need to be carrying, you need to have a way of starting fire. I'm going to say on you, or at least in your car. Your ancestors worked so hard to get fire, and after trying to make bow drills and all that, easy fire, I love it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. This is Tcarp signing out.